In this video, I will let you guys know how can you get Experian credit report. If you wish to get the Experian credit report, you will need to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, you need to go ahead and make sure to register. Now, if you don't have an account, then you want to go ahead and open up the browser and go to experian.com and click on the sign in button and log into your account, entering your credential. Once registered or logged into your Experian account, navigate to the section where your credit report is displayed. And when you locate your credit report, you can see options to download the report as files such as PDF or print it directly from the website as well. Alternatively, you could also access a free annual credit report from all three bureaus, including Experian, visiting annualcreditreport.com. This website is operated by three major credit bureaus. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt and you'll be able to get it. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.